Hi everybody, I'm excited to invite you to my rock and soul workshop, baby, where we're gonna make some rock music, and I'll spend the first half of the day teaching you how to connect to your soul to get guidance and how to use your soul to guide your exercise and your life in general, and how to use that connection as a fun, playful practice with stones that you can use for exercise at a low level like working in, or an intense level. I will show you how to let your unconscious aspect of your soul become conscious and guide you and create different types of formations and patterns. That's how I learned to build water chargers, as my soul guided me, and it's amazing how powerful it is. And that's a very important way to develop a real, legitimate, personal spiritual practice that can help guide you in all areas of your life. Then we'll have a beautiful lunch together in our beautiful rainbow home and property here. Homemade food by our chef, great water, and great views with great people in the afternoon. We'll then go to the working out stage, and I will teach you all sorts of different techniques you can use with rocks. Anywhere you want to go, to the beach, to the woods, grab a few, buy a few, and I will teach you techniques for developing your athletic ability, which rock training is good for any sport, and exercising your creativity and getting what I call a biomotor rich environment through rock lifting. Your biomotor abilities are things like flexibility, stability, strength, power, speed, agility, etc. So a biomotor rich environment is one that requires balance, strength, coordination, flexibility, agility, and rock stacking requires all of it. And I will then teach you how to build rock stacks as safely as possible by telling you the techniques you got to use and the things you got to be aware. And so you'll finish the day by having great soul connection and a deeper spiritual practice you can use, and techniques for doing a good solid workout out in nature and having a great time at the beach or in the mountains or in your backyard. And I will teach you how to build rock stacks and other things too, such as patterns, and I can even talk about mixing other elements from nature. So that's a one-day workshop coming up, and I look forward to seeing you all here for an amazing time. We often have sellouts for these things, so if you want to come, make sure you register sooner than later, or you might miss out, and I don't want to miss my chance to give you a hug. See you soon.